Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's very nice to have you here and to be speaking with you. And I um, I am very, very keen to find out more about your breath work and how you use that to help people in all these different situations and different challenges. But first up, I know that you grew up in India
Yeah.
and then found yourself somehow in Canada.
Yeah.
And maybe would you like to share a little bit about how you started in life and how that was and how you transitioned and your move to Canada and how what happened there?
Yeah. So, I can say the breathing meditation bring me to the Canada, and I got transform my life with the help of the breathing meditation, indirectly, So as I shared last time, like I was born and brought up in India, and I immigrated to Canada a long time ago, and everybody has, anxiety, depression, worry, such kind of the negative emotion, which I had also, that was holding me back in India. And I was looking, searching, finding the true answer of who am I, what is the purpose of life? How can we understand the secret and the mystery of life, But nothing has happened as long as I lived in India, So then I immigrated to Canada, and I met with one Caucasian old woman, and we started living on the bank of ocean, river, mountain, and in a deep and meditative silence practice, I can say, for many, many years. And then I started getting answer of all those kind of the question which was holding me back, and that's what I discovered the mindfulness practice with the help of breathing meditation, when I used to connect myself with the life force energy by sitting on the bank of ocean, river, mountain, and that's what I discovered. The more I connect with the nature, the more it will help me to dissolve and decondition my program in order to discover my hidden potential with the help of breathing meditation. How breath is life force energy. How does it help me to live into the present moment awareness by let go and disconnect with the thought of the past or the future. So in this way, I got transition and transform into my life. So that's what I can say.
Thank you. Wow, that's very, very deep. I love how you talk about that connection with nature that brought it all out. I'm very much about that too. And my rebirthing breath work doesn't have to be in nature. Your breath work technique, does it help when people are in nature when they do this, what you're doing, what you're showing them, or actually has it gone past that?
Like it helps them, when they connect with the nature, but as you said, rebirthing of the breath, that is important, because as I said, the nature is a life force, the breath is life force energy, and it is much more helpful. Even today you said, you'd like to go for walking in the nature. So when we do the breathing meditation in the nature, then it adds million times more value. Why? Because nature is full of negative ion. Nature is full of, positive vibrational energy, therefore we try to recharge, rejuvenate and refresh ourselves, and on the top of it, when we go for breathing meditation practice, what will happen? We inhale more oxygen inside, and that will declutter, dissolve all kinds of the useless and unwanted thought into productive and powerful thought. In this way, it is very much helpful, I can say. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.